Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use PayPal's cryptocurrency feature. Let's get straight into the video. The first step is to log into your PayPal account. You can just open the PayPal website and log in there, or you can log in through the mobile app on your mobile device. Next is to navigate to the cryptocurrency section. So you just in the top navigation bar or the bottom navigation bar, you want to click on invest, and then you want to choose the cryptocurrency option. Next is to choose the cryptocurrency. So you just choose from the available cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, Bitcoin, or Litecoin, and then view the market price, market trends, and other details about the selected cryptocurrency. Next is to buy or sell cryptocurrency. So just enter the amount that you want to buy and confirm the transaction. And if you want to sell the cryptocurrency, just enter the amount that you want to sell and confirm the transaction. Next is to manage your cryptocurrency holdings. So you can view your cryptocurrency holdings and their value. You can also transfer cryptocurrency to another PayPal account or to an external wallet. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use PayPal's cryptocurrency feature. Hope you guys liked the video. If you found it useful enough, if you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.